The present strategy is available to everybody. It's accessible to anybody, any place on the planet, and I am so eager to show it to you since you won't require any specialized abilities. An online entertainment following or to sell anything, you should simply reorder. It's reliable technique that is extraordinary for fledglings. To enter into the channel and I'll show you how it's finished. Frankly, assuming you had the decision between bringing in modest quantities of cash or bringing in a lot of cash, which could you pick? By and large, we can transform this into an automated revenue stream that will progressively free us monetarily later on. The present technique will make us a huge amount of cash, and it's not so much as a joke. I mean, we could bring in a ton of cash by utilizing this straightforward strategy that I will show you today, so try to watch until the finish of this video. Now let's go back to the video. Let's start by heading up to upleap.com. As the name indicates, this platform allows you to purchase Instagram followers and grow your account faster. For the record, we are not going to utilize this platform service today, but it is a part of our approach. With that said, go to bottom of the page and look for the Learn section affiliates will then display in that column. Just click on it and you will be taken to this page right here, which will show the Upleap affiliate program. When you click right now, can you see that it says help others grow their Instagram audience faster and earn commissions at the same time? So today's method will revolve around the promotion of upload services, where you get other people to buy their services in your name, so you can credit it with commissions. By following these instructions, we will be able to make a lot of money. The steps are visible here. Begin by signing up to be affiliate for free. This strategy, as previously stated, is completely free. In the second step, you will create your URL that you will be able to share with others. In the third step, you will broadcast your unique link wherever you want. Later in this video, I'll show you where my favorite website to post unique links is. The fourth and final step is to get paid while using the strategy. You will make a lot of money and a lot of percentages from each purchase made by your affiliates. As you can see from the packages right here, they have a lot to offer and these are going to sell like hotcakes when you advertise this. I mean, the earning potential of this method is endless. Every person who purchases a monthly package from Upleap will give you high percentage commissions. Take note that you won't have to buy these packages yourself. Consider this, you only have to labor for a couple of hours, and you will get paid for months, if not years, after you put in the effort. It's insane to even consider what this strategy has in store for us, and it has a gigantic earning potential. It's hard to believe that you can earn a year's worth of money by working for a couple of hours, but it's not impossible. You can even track all of your subscriptions and earnings on your personal Upleap dashboard. And if the person you refer purchases packages, you will be paid directly by Upleap. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you have loved the video thus far, and if you found this video interesting and informative. Please leave a comment below. Returning to the affiliates page right here, you can simply sign up and fill out their boxes, and you're an upline affiliate in no time. When you sign up, you will also be given up the unique link that I mentioned earlier. Some call it a URL, but for me, it's a unique link because there is no other link like it on the internet. Now that you have your account and your custom link, the next step is to share it. We will paste it here in my favorite website, Quora.com, assuming you already have your script on how to sell or promote Upleap services, along with your affiliate link. This platform is a medium where people ask questions, basically a questions forum where there is a lot of people and they ask a lot of questions. I mean, a lot of questions on Quora have it. So for example, if a person is seeking knowledge on how to grow Instagram followers, Quora will display all the related questions and forums when you click the search button because there are so many people interested in this topic. Our personalized link is high demand for those looking to make a lot of money on Instagram. If someone buys a package, you will earn a lot of money in commissions that can last for months or even years. This is a great way to supplement your lifestyle and basic needs with a passive income stream. Now let's go to one post here on how to grow your Instagram followers. You can see that the question has answers. So we will just click on these questions and post the script you wrote saying that they need the services along with your custom link to grow their Instagram followers. And that by clicking on that link, they will guaranteed growth in their specific channels. Your answer to their questions will be more meaningful than the rest because you're providing them with a value and direct answer to their problem of growing Instagram followers. And you can repeat this method for each question by simply pasting your script along with an affiliate link and then signing up on Quora. All you have to do now is copy and paste your script to every question about increasing Instagram followers. And because there are thousands of viewers who are interested in the same thing, boosting their Instagram followers, this will generate a huge passive income stream for you. To summarize, this will be a terrific technique for no-wise online moneymakers to earn money because it involves little to no labor. So check it out and meet your financial demands. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.